Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to add identity verification authentication to a document in BoldSign. Identity verification is an authentication method that enhances document security by requiring signers to confirm their identities before accessing and signing documents. In BoldSign, senders can add identity verification authentication to documents, even after sending them. This capability is used in scenarios where immediately after sending, senders realize they forgot authentication during the creation process. They can quickly get it in place before the signer opens and signs the document. Once the signer has opened the document, however, identity verification cannot be added. This feature ensures strict compliance with identity verification standards throughout the signing process. Let me demonstrate how to use this feature. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. Here I expand the Documents menu and choose My Documents. On the My Documents page, I locate the document needing identity verification and click it to navigate to its overview page. Next, I move to the Recipient's Details section. Here I add identity verification to the signer. Again, if the document has been opened by the signer, adding authentication won't be possible. However, in this case, the signer has not viewed it yet. I locate the client's details and click the Context menu. I select the Add Authentication option. The available authentication methods are displayed. I choose the ID verification method. The Settings dialog box opens. In the Identity Verification Frequency section, I can customize how often signers need to authenticate their identity when accessing documents. By clicking the drop-down menu, I can choose from the following options. Every access, where signers must authenticate each time they access the document, even after signing. Until signed, where authentication is required until signing is complete. And once per document, where signers authenticate only once, even when they access a document multiple times. In the Number of Verification Attempts section, I can specify the maximum number of attempts allowed, with a default limit of 3 and a maximum of 10. Once the limit is reached, access to the document is restricted. The number of attempts can be adjusted using the drop-down menu. Enabling the Require Selfie Check option ensures the signer's face matches the ID photo, preventing the use of a stolen identity. Activating the Require Live Document Capture option requires signers to capture a live image of their ID using their device camera, confirming the ID's physical presence. In the Name Match Tolerance Level section, I can set the tolerance level for matching the signer's name with the name on the ID document. The drop-down menu offers options such as strict, allowing minimal variations, moderate, permitting variations in prefixes, suffixes, and middle names, lenient, allowing minor spelling mistakes for increased flexibility. I am going to use the default setting, as specified on my business profile page. I click the Add button to save the changes. Now, the ID verification authentication is enabled for the signer, and the signer must verify their identity to access the document for signing. That summarizes how you add identity verification authentication to documents in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.